Yo, Tony Metal Art, Team Renegade. Today we're using the Blackmagic bar for the finish process on the back doors. Um, I've already cut them down. It's already been brown bar with the airway. And now I'm gonna show you how to put a finish to eliminate all the abrasive lines. You can see what I'm talking about there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a variable speed grinder. Run it about 4, so I don't know if that's 1800 or whatever, 1500 RPM with the Blackmagic bar. And I'm gonna start from the right side and I'm gonna go completely across and completely back without stopping. Now you notice on this, you can see right dead center in the middle, well not dead center, but right about there, I cut it, so I do 2 sides. I do one side, cut, do the other side, cut. Now I'm gonna put a finish on it without stopping in the middle. Only so you don't see that line right in the middle. I'm Tony Metal Art. I'm gonna show you right now what's gonna happen. So we're gonna use a brand new flannel wheel for the finish. Alright, here we go. Now, the wheel is only the transfer. The rouge is what actually puts color on aluminum. So you're transferring your shine from the wheel to the aluminum. All right, let's go. Rake is important. You want to rake that off. And you don't have to put this rake on the floor, step on it. You don't have to do all that. What I do is I hold it here, put it underneath your arm, use your handle, use the handle just like this, and that's it. Done. You want to clean every time you take a pass because you want to apply fresh polish on the aluminum. So there you go. That's the finished process. That's what it's supposed to look like, and I'm sure your customer will be happy. If you like what I'm doing, give me a like, subscribe, or whatever. Drop a comment if you want me to do something for you. Let's see, check it out. Oh, I can't turn it around. But yeah, I'm Tony Metal Art, Team Renegade. See ya.